What's up, guys? Today we got some super cool items to show you that Kimball Midwest has got. Keith is back and he's got some cool, awesome drill bit tap combo kind of things. It's sort of like a transformer. It's pretty cool. And a cool set of drill bits. So you guys stick around and I'll show you what he's got.
Going through the month of September and October, we're running a special on all of our cutting tool line, drill bits, taps, reamers, everything that we do carry in our cutting tool section. What I have here today is our power tap 2s. These are actually our super primaloid drill bits. They have 135 degree split tip, and also it is built with a tap. So you can drill through metal and tap it at the same time. So basically one pass through the front, come back out, you can thread a bolt in. And then also this is our 29-piece set super primaloid drill bits. It's a 1/16 through a half going by 64ths. They also, their maintenance links are 15% shorter than your standard bit. They have the 135 degree split tip, so you can start these on a rounded surface with no center punch. And they're also flat on 3 sides to keep spinning in your chuck.
That case is super awesome.
This is your polycarbonate case. This set here is $259, and this set on the power tap with the 5-piece coarse thread is $159.
Okay. And you're going to do a demo on how they work, right?
Yes, sir, on the power tap, sure will.
All right, well, let's go take a look.
This is the 1/4 inch, like I said, 135 degree split tip, and we're going through 1/4 inch metal.
How about that?
One pass in, one pass out, then one trip through just to clean the threads, and shoot right in and right out.
That's pretty cool right there. That's pretty cool. So if anybody wants any of these, they just go to KimballMidwest.com and...
Yeah, now on this special, these special prices will not show on the website. You can look at all of our cutting tools. Like I said, if you are not in this area, you can do a find a rep, and then the local rep in that area can help you with a special pricing. He will have that on hand for our cutting tool demo, cutting tool special that runs September and October.
Okay, sounds great. All right.
Now these here are our Kimball Midwest complete sets. They're a 40 drawer bin. We have them in metric 8.8 and the metric 10.9, and we also have them in the grade 5 and the grade 8 in either a coarse thread or fine thread. They come, we got these kits that were, it's the 40 drawer bin, all your hardware, and the stand.
And guys, we paid, it was right at $1,100 for all 3 of these bins fully stocked, as well as a case of the penetrating fluid that we showed you last week. So pretty good deal on that. If you guys are looking for a bolt bin, be sure to get it with Kimball Midwest, and you'll have a cool sales guy that'll come by every couple of weeks and restock it for you, and you don't even have to worry about running out of bolts.
Now one thing also, on our bins, everything is American made. None of our fasteners are imports.
That's always a good thing. All right, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we'll catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.